Ha
Hi, this is Mike talking to you through this satanistic tool from hell called Zoom. There is an obvious correlation between the number of coronavirus deaths to Zoom's stock market value. So many high-tech employees started to recently work from home, which is great, right? But their bosses would like them to keep the Zoom session open with the camera. Just in case I scratch my ass, my boss would like to be there to witness it. Fortunately, we have our savior. It's called OBS. Exactly the response that you had when your boss told you you're going to be constantly monitored. OBS. I'm going to show you now how to loop a seamless video of you working, just like they did in that movie where they robbed a bank or something. Open a simple video recorder, make a serious expression of facing a problem, thinking it through, understanding the problem, and now going to solve it. Do not overdo it. Do not use exaggerated acting, okay? Record some idle footage to wrap it up with. Download and install OBS and OBS Virtual Cam plugin. Drag your working clip to OBS, go to Tools Virtual Cam and start the camera. Now go to your Zoom session and select your virtual camera. Now this step is very important. Go to the fridge, grab a beer and enjoy Netflix for the rest of the day.
Mike,
Yeah?
I hear everything. Your mic was open the whole time.
Hey, Reshif, you know how much money I saved this month for the company for not using 10bis?